Everybody, I'm here today to show you how to creep forward in a car. This will be an easy driving lesson, so let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, what you're seeing right now is my foot pressing down on the brake pedal. Now, obviously, I'm talking about creeping forward in an automatic car. If you're driving a manual car, you're gonna have to use the clutch, and it's a whole different situation, and I did a completely separate tutorial a long time ago on that, so I wanted to do this one for an automatic car. So what you're gonna do is obviously put the car in drive, okay? Make sure your parking brake is off, and when you wanna creep forward, what you're gonna do is just release your foot from fully pressing down on the pedal slightly. We're not completely releasing the pedal, or else we're gonna move a little bit too fast for creeping forward. But we're releasing it slightly, and as I release it about that much, I'm creeping forward like that. Whenever I wanna brake again, I push it down. So you can see this is pressing the pedal down enough to make the car come to a complete stop, and that's enough to make it creep forward. That's literally all that's required. That's fully stopped, creeping forward. So you can see I'm just ever so slightly releasing my foot from the pedal. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna bring my camera over here. We're gonna do some high-end editing skills. Here I am. And we're gonna show you what it looks like to creep forward, but from this perspective. Now you know what I'm doing with the pedal, now you can sort of see what's happening inside of the car. So like I said, car's in drive. If I want to creep forward, I just release the pedal and I move forward. Now this is a creeping speed right here. What you see right here, moving forward, it says about 4 kilometers an hour. That's the speed that my speedometer is reading. To be honest with you, I might even be off a little. It might even be a little bit slower than that because, you know, I started a little bit faster and then I slowed it down. If I release the pedal enough to creep forward, that's what it looks like. 3-4 kilometers an hour seems to be the creeping speed. Now, this is very, very useful. I'm just gonna drive to another street right here to get maybe a little bit better lighting. This is very, very useful for driving in traffic and for moving forward just slightly. If you're in a parking spot and you want to move forward a little bit more, something like this is very, very useful for that. So what you want to do is you want to learn how to creep forward because it's an extremely useful strategy. And like I said, it just involves releasing the pedal ever so slightly and moving forward just a little bit at a very slow speed. At about, like I said, I was moving at about 3 kilometers an hour over there. And that, you can even go slower than that. If you're going past 5 kilometers an hour, it's no longer creeping. It's kind of like a slow drive. So keep it at a low speed, but that's it. That is essentially how to creep forward in a car, a simple driving lesson. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.